So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna make some four sofas here. So this is how it looks. So it looks like a kind of a tree, okay? I'm gonna fill these gaps with this stained glass paint, just like this, okay? Side note is I'm gonna add glass pane from here till here and increase it, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how it will look. So this is how it looks. And let me just quickly insert it. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So basically what before just closing all of this, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add some plants right inside, okay? Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is add some plants, and to add some plants, what we can do is just add this glass first, and next what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take water, and yep, we're gonna add, let it flow, and now we're gonna add plants. Some fish. Let me grab the fish. Yeah, and this looks good. Okay, so let me just get the, okay, I already have the parts bricks. As you can see, there are also fishes. What we can do is get some bone meal. You can, just increase the size and everything. Well, do you guys understand me? You can, just increase the size and everything. So let me just increase the size and show you guys. Okay, so this is how our aquarium looks like. Okay, coming to this side, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some grass, okay? And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some this, and we're gonna just double them, and a bit more short grass on these sides, okay? And what we can do is we're just gonna get it quartz slab, and if possible, okay, no, not possible, beneath it, we're just gonna make it stairs sort of, which will go, lead to the upper section of our house. Okay, coming to this side, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use some stairs and place them like this. Next, we're gonna use smooth quartz slabs and just place them like this. We're just gonna fill the inside with stone. We're gonna place an inverted stair slabs of rock or stone. And just like this, we have a little structure. And next is we're just gonna fill it. Okay, now to place stuff here, what we're gonna do is first get a lantern, put it here. Next, we're gonna take a flower pot, add a, oak sapling inside. We're just gonna break these two and the ground below. We're gonna add a block of redstone. We're gonna add some pistons. We're gonna put pressure plates on top of these pistons, and we're gonna add trapdoors in such a way that it goes upward so it becomes a stair. So if we try it like this, let's do it again, just like this. Now it looks like some chairs, okay? Okay, now to get started on this corner, what we're gonna do is first make a fridge. So for that, I'm gonna be using this gray concrete, and it's gonna go like this with cyan terracotta, a button on it with some banners, just like that. It looks like a proper fridge. I'm gonna get 5 blocks of, quartz like this. Then I'm gonna take a stair, add it just like this. I'm gonna take a lever and put it downwards, so it just looks like it's a, washing handle. So Next, I'm gonna get some just like this, or we can, just connect it, and we can add some buttons on top of it, just like this. Next, we're just gonna make some cooking area over here. To get started on the stove, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna break these two things, add our fires right here, and next we're gonna get smooth quartz stone. We're gonna get stairs. They be, inverted on both sides, just like this. We're gonna add smokers on top of them, similarly, just like this. I'm basically gonna grab a smooth quartz slab, just like this. I'm gonna extend this slab like this, and on top of it, what I'm gonna do is, okay, yep, just like this. Yeah, this looks great, and I'm gonna add a iron trapdoor, just like this. So basically, our stove here is complete. Okay, to decorate this area, what I'm gonna do is, firstly, I'm gonna place a table. So to place a table, what I'm gonna need is a block like this. Then you see, similarly on this side, it's gonna go like this and like this. I'm gonna connect it via this andesite slabs, and I'm gonna place a flower pot right here, a red tulip in it, some sea pickles, and raw like this. On the corner, another flower pot with a dead bush inside and some spruce leaves on top of it, okay? Or you can, just add some spruce leaves just like this. You know what? This let's just add a red tulip here. It looks more better, okay? So this is how we have decorated this area. So now next what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some flooring on this side. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is smooth quartz slab. We're gonna go one, two, and three. And from the third one, we're gonna extend to this side here. One, two, three, one, two, one, and yep. And similarly from this side, we're gonna connect it all the way to this. And yep, we're just gonna elongate it here. And similarly, we're just gonna fill all of this, and we're just gonna cover all of this area with our smooth quartz slab. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it quickly and show you guys the results. Okay, coming towards this side, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place these four temporary blocks, and counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. These are also some temporary blocks, and we're just gonna get smooth quartz slabs and attach it to the side just like this, okay? Where instead of letting it stay on 12, we're just gonna extend it up to 20, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And similarly over here, just like this. We're gonna just, wrap the slab around this side. Coming towards this side, we're just gonna put about one, two, three, four, and five temporary blocks right here. We're gonna get a quartz slab and put it around it. One, two, three, four, and five, and six. And now coming towards this way, we're gonna go about 16 blocks. So it will gonna go this way. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15, and 16. We're just gonna connect it to this side like this. Now coming towards this side, we're just gonna elongate it. So basically how it would go is we are gonna extend this all the way right here, and we're just gonna connect these 2 points just like this, okay? Next, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove these temporary blocks right here, and we're just gonna fill this space with these slabs, okay? So it's gonna look like these. get some smooth quartz blocks, and we're gonna start from this corner, and we're just gonna go like this, and we're just gonna build about 2 blocks right here. Then we're gonna grab our black concrete, and we're just gonna keep on extending it. And here we're gonna give 2 blocks space, and then we're gonna turn it, and we're gonna add about 7 of these blocks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is stripped spruce log, and this is black concrete. And from here we're also gonna bend it inside, and we're just gonna keep, making it till we have 1 block left on this side, and we're gonna take it to the other end. And instead of, we're just gonna break this and add 4 blocks on this corner right here. Okay, so this is how it has turned out.